IHG Honest Review. Look before you search for a hotel. Most travelers assume that big hotel chains offer uniform quality, but IHG, home to brands like Holiday Inn, Crowne Plaza, and Intercontinental, has some surprising variations you need to know. IHG operates over 6,000 hotels in more than 100 countries, making it one of the largest hotel groups globally. One standout feature is their rewards program, IHG One Rewards, which allows frequent travelers to earn points redeemable for free nights, upgrades, or experiences. Most people get this wrong. They think all IHG properties maintain the same level of service. The surprising truth is that quality and amenities can vary widely depending on location, ownership, and brand level. While Intercontinental properties are luxury-focused, Holiday Inn Express hotels prioritize budget-friendly convenience, so expectations should match the brand. Another advantage is flexibility. IHG offers flexible booking options, including refundable rates and last-minute cancellations, which is especially useful for uncertain travel plans. Many hotels also offer family-friendly amenities, business centers, and meeting spaces, making them versatile for different travelers. However, there are considerations. Some locations may have older facilities or inconsistent service, and prices can fluctuate depending on season and city. Reading recent guest reviews is essential before booking. In conclusion, IHG is a reliable choice for both business and leisure travelers, especially if you take advantage of their rewards program and check property-specific reviews. It's not one size fits all, but with careful planning, you can enjoy consistent value and comfort. Subscribe for more honest hotel reviews before you book your next stay.